swing for the fences, aim high in English and life. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, swing for the fences. This phrase is not just about sports. It's a powerful metaphor used in everyday English to inspire ambition and determination. Let's unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it to boost your English and your life goals. Stay tuned. The phrase, swing for the fences, originates from baseball, where a player swings the bat with full force, aiming to hit the ball over the fence for a home run. Metaphorically, it means to aim for a very ambitious goal, to try hard to achieve something significant, or to take a big risk hoping for a great success. It's about not holding back and giving your all to reach your dreams. To truly understand this expression, it's important to know a bit about its background. Swing for the fences is deeply rooted in American baseball culture, dating back to the early 20th century. The visual of hitting a ball so hard that it goes over the fence captures the essence of striving for maximum achievement. Over time, this phrase has transcended sports and is now used in various contexts, including business, personal development, and more. Incorporating swing for the fences into your English can add a layer of richness to your conversations. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. In motivation, this year, I'm swinging for the fences with my career goals. I'm going for that promotion. In encouragement, you've got this. Swing for the fences, and don't hold back. In ambition, our startup is swinging for the fences with our new product launch. We're aiming to disrupt the market. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like swing for the fences can significantly enhance your English proficiency. It shows a deeper grasp of the language, allowing you to communicate more effectively and vividly. Furthermore, embracing the philosophy of aiming high and taking bold risks can be incredibly empowering in your personal and professional life. Swing for the fences is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages us to aim high and pursue our dreams with all our might. We hope this exploration inspires you to not only incorporate this expression into your English vocabulary but also to adopt its spirit in your life. Remember, great achievements require bold ambitions. Keep aiming high, and you'll hit your own home run. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.